DGCA, which is the aviation regulator, has initiated focused safety assessment at major airports. Night and early morning inspections will take place. And in fact, they have revealed serious safety concerns. And these are airports at Delhi and Mumbai, which handle massive volumes of traffic. What are the kind of safety concerns that have been raised, and more importantly, what will be DGCA's course of action? Let's get in my colleague Tanushka to answer all those questions. Tanushka, this has been a matter of grave concern ever since the Air India crash took place. Tell us, what is it that your sources are telling you that DGCA has flagged off as one of the major security lapses that it has found out?
Precisely, Gauri. So the DGCA has again come down heavily upon airports and air operations as well, especially considering that on June 19th, they had come out with their new safety directive. So it is to keep a check on whether these safety directives were implemented and actually put into place or not, that the teams from the DGCA conducted these surprise checks, early morning and late night checks across these two busiest airports, Delhi Airport and Mumbai Airport. And what has been found out in these safety checks is that multiple repeated defects and unserviceable ground handling equipment has been flagged during the checks. Safety lapses in aircraft maintenance procedures and record keeping has also been identified. The DGCA has issued a 7-day deadline for operators to address these issues and identify their own safety concerns as well, and to rectify them within a period of this week. Now, surveillance is to continue to ensure proactive hazard detection and safety enhancement as well. Ground handling equipment such as that, basic stuff like baggage trolleys and luggage equipment, and all of this has been, sought after with lapses in the surprise DGCA check that was taken place. Back to you.
All right, Tanushka, I'm going to keep coming back to you with updates on that.